Hi everybody! We just parked at Disneyland. Brock just got off work at Disneyland, and so I'm gonna go meet up with him and we are gonna go ride our favorite ride, Splash Mountain, one last time. Let's go! Let's go get Daddy! We found him!
Hi, bud.
Brock, it's raining.
Yeah.
Gotta do it for Splash.
Get on the ride and go home.
We're not even to the ride yet, and I already look like I've been on it in the front row. Yay, we made it! Brock and Damian are gonna wait over there. Let's do this thing. Funny how the rain makes this line totally empty. I'm already wet. I don't see what the big deal is. Am I going off?
For your safety, just stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the log, and be sure to watch your kids. Have a zippity doo dah ride.
My very last time. This is actually kind of sad.
For safety, just stay seated. Arms, feet, and legs.
If you must, will you not be like us? That suits us. How do you do? My pleasure, reading and shows your home.
I got my own log.
Really? I love
Brock.
you.
Me too. Have fun. Damian. Hey, how was it?
It was fairly emotional.
Yeah, did you cry?
No.
So Splash Mountain was the ride that Brock and I bonded over because it's both our favorite rides.
Yeah.
Without it, we wouldn't have met.
That's
we
not.
wouldn't have gotten married.
Okay. It's not true. But...
Okay, it's not true. But it is both of our favorite rides.
Yep.
I'm just glad that when it changes to Tiana's Bayou Adventure or whatever, that the ride's gonna be the same. They're just changing out what you look at, what you listen to, but that log flume, man. Love me a log flume. I'm gonna miss that song though, those songs.
The fun songs.
We'll have to play them at home sometime.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
There's the bathroom.
Oh. Ooh, you know what? One thing that I do want to show you guys before we sign off is this. There's a secret little pathway up here. If you've ever wondered how far those guys go when they go down the big drop, they shoot all the way out here. Now we gotta go find Brock and Damian again. Well, Brock, what's your favorite part of Splash Mountain?
You know, it's just like the nostalgia. It's a classic Disney ride. Music and the characters, everything.
Do you think they're gonna keep a bunch of the characters, a bunch of the animatronics? I think they are. Fun fact, a lot of the animatronics that are in Splash Mountain were actually repurposed from another Disneyland attraction called America Sings. A lot of the birds and stuff were moved from that attraction to Splash Mountain. So if they stick around, it'll be the third time they're getting used. I think they're gonna be reusing a bunch of them, but we'll see.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, I think that's all for this video. We will see you next time, guys. But first, I have to give another little look at Damian's cute hat.